What's up? This is RedDead1345. I'm not sure if this has a limit. I don't speak Japanese. I'm going to show you how to do this little screen recorder thing. So it is going to be sideways, but bear with me, guys. There's one that I already made. Get down. Done. I don't want to try it no more. No. Oh, that's what that done means. Oh, okay, no. Go back. Go back. I know, I'm new at this stuff, okay? I'm done. Okay, now if you do, yeah, if you go to me, you can download stuff, I think? Because that's how I got my electric or whatever. No. No. I know, I'm stubborn. Anywho, pretty sure some of these are free. I'm not sure about all of them. Oh no, that cost my knee. Man. Okay, apparently they don't like me right now. If you find one that says electric, I don't know where it is, but you can create a picture or something like that. Oh, you can only create so many, apparently. No, how do I delete it? Delete. Delete. How do I delete it? No. See y'all. Manage my themes. Delete. No, don't delete that one. Yes. That one. Set. Yeah, done.